In the first half of 2018, we continue to see excellent growth in our infrastructure assets. Our toll roads, 407 ETR and the NT and LBJ in Texas, post double-digit growth in revenues and EBITDA. What is more important, they are posting growth above what we were expecting in the Capital Markets Day of Sintra 1 year ago. Also, adding to this growth will be the NT 35 West. We just opened that and we will see the numbers coming in the second part of the year. Also in airports we see growth with Heathrow having record traffic every month really, and we have seen also the approval of Parliament of the third runway extension, much needed in the UK, and even though it's a long-term project, it should add a lot of growth in the future. Also AGS had good growth in EBITDA helped by retail income initiatives. In terms of dividends, all these assets have grown their dividends, Heathrow and the 407 ETR, comparatively to last year. When we look into construction is trading along the lines that we indicated to the market. Of course, profitability is lower at the beginning of the year and we expect it to become higher in the last quarter of the year with expected reversal of provisions. In services, we see good performance in Spain. Amy, ex the Birmingham provision, is trading along the lines that we expected and also should be helped in the last part of the year with additional business from the joint ventures with Carillion. In terms of Australia, is trading along the lines that we expected. With the cash flow generation, we closed the first half with 900 million roughly of net cash position. And here this was helped by more dividends from infrastructure projects, around 300 million euros. But we also had a little bit more investment than last year and the typical working capital consumption that is also similar to last year. In terms of remuneration to shareholders, it was also higher this year. In the end, we expect to see the excellent performance of infrastructure in the remainder of the year. And in construction and services, we expect some margin improvement, slight margin improvement from the tight levels that we are seeing at the moment.